This is Brother MFC L5900DW monochrome printer. Let us explore first the printer. This is the printer's rear door. This is modem slot for fax function. This is LAN and USB port. This is the power cable connection. Rated input voltage is 220 to 240. Close view of LAN and USB ports. This is the duplexer tray. You can switch between letter or A for width. This is the toner access door. Now we will remove the toner cartridge with a drum kit. Standard cartridge prints 3,000 pages, while 8,000 pages for the high yield. The drum kit has 30,000 pages capacity print. You can also move this part in case of some print defect. Now we will remove the toner cartridge from the drum kit. This is the drum kit lock. Return the toner cartridge slowly. Put it back to the printer. This is the power cable. This is the 2.0 USB cable. This is the LAN cable. This is the bypass tray with 50 sheets capacity. This is the paper fit guide. This is the extension tray. One must have to shuffle the paper first. This will partially remove the static presence of the paper. This is the standard tray with 250 sheets capacity. Press to move the paper fit guide. Press this button to power on the printer. This is the control panel. This is the numeric keypad. This portion is the ADF scanner with 70 sheets capacity. This is the flatbed scanner. Place the edge part of the document here. Legal size document is the maximum size. The flatbed scanner could capture image. This is the scanner for duplex scan or copy. Load the printed part in side-up orientation. When using a DF scanner, ID copy feature. Now we will go into perform ID copy feature. Let's try this for example. Press ID then start. Turn over the ID card then press continue. Purpose of ID copy is to reduce time, saves toner and power consumption. Now both sides of the ID is copied. Secure print feature. This time we will try the secure print feature. On the document, you must enable first the secure print. Password must be provided, so that owner could only be the one to print. Once the print is clicked, the print job will not immediately print it on the printer. The printer receives print data first. Go to Secure Print. Then press the file you want to print. Access first your 4-digit passcode. Basic printer troubleshooting. Okay, now we will perform some paper jam troubleshooting. In case the jam occurs in the fuser area, remove first the toner and drum kit cartridge. This will easily remove the jammed paper. This time we will remove jammed paper in duplex area. Double check the paper that is loaded to the size switch of the duplexer. And lastly, removing the jammed paper in the ADF scanner area. Carefully remove the jammed paper to avoid ADF scanner damage. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.